Third question, verify that modulus of a plus b less than or equal to modulus of a plus modulus of b for the following values of a and b. First question, a is equal to 7 by 3, b is equal to 2 by 3. Solution, modulus of a plus b less than or equal to modulus of a plus modulus of b. LHS less than or equal to RHS. LHS modulus of a plus b is equal to modulus of a value is 7 by 3 plus b value is 2 by 3. The denominator is same, modulus of same denominator, we will put the same denominator 3. 7 plus 2 is equal to modulus of 7 plus 2 9 by 3. Simplify it. 3 modulus of 3 by 1. Modulus of 3 by 1 is value is 3 by 1 equal to 3. LHS is equal to 3. Next, RHS. RHS is modulus of A plus modulus of B is equal to, what's the value of A? Modulus of 7 by 3 plus B value is modulus of 2 by 3. First, find the absolute value of 7 by 3. Modulus of 7 by 3 is 7 by 3 plus modulus of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. The denominator is same, so you can put the same denominator 3. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3 by 1. Here the answer is 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Modulus of A plus B is equal to modulus of A plus modulus of B. Here the value is equal. LHS is equal to 3. RHS is also equal to 3. Homework sums. First question is A is equal to minus 3 by 2, comma B is equal to 3 by 4. Second question, A is equal to minus 7 by 8, B is equal to minus 3 by 5. Fourth question, verify that modulus of A into B is equal to modulus of A into modulus of B for the following values of A and B. First question, A is equal to minus 1 by 3, B is equal to 1 by 2. Solution, modulus of A into B is equal to modulus of A into modulus of B. LHS, modulus of A into B is equal to modulus of A value is minus 1 by 3 into B value is 1 by 2 is equal to multiplying numerator and denominator. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 2 6, modulus of minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6 is the answer. LHS is equal to 1 by 6. RHS, modulus of A into modulus of B is equal to modulus of A value is minus 1 by 3 into modulus of B value is 1 by 2. Find the absolute value. Modulus of minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 into modulus of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 into 1, 1. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, RHS is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Homework sum. First question. A is equal to minus 1 by 7. B is equal to minus 3 by 4. Second question. A is equal to 5 by 9, comma B is equal to 2 by 3. Thank you students. We will see you on next class. Students, exercise 1.2, fifth question. Which rational numbers have the following absolute value? First question is 0. The absolute value is 0. Which is the rational number of 0? Solution. 0 is equal to absolute value of 0 is 0 by 1. Rational number is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is the rational number have the absolute value 0. Homework sums. Fifth question. Which rational numbers have the following absolute value? First one is 5 by 7. Second one is 3 by 8. Third one is 2 by 7. Next question. Sixth. Which rational numbers have absolute values? First one is less than 4. Solution. Draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Less than 4. The absolute value of less than 4. Minus absolute value of minus 4 is 4. 4 equal to 4. Here asking less than 4. Absolute value of 4 is also 4. This is also equal to 4. In between minus 4 and 4, all rational numbers have absolute value less than 4. In between minus 4 and 4, in this area having the absolute value of less than 4. Homework sum. Sixth question. Which rational numbers have absolute values less than 2? Next, seventh question. How many rational numbers have absolute value less than 2? Solution. Draw number line. 0, 1, 2. Left side minus 1, minus 2. Less than 2. Less than 2, in between minus 2 and plus 2, the value is minus 1, 0, 1, or the rational numbers. Next, homework sum. Seventh question. How many rational numbers have absolute value greater than 4?